Okay, first I need to make the cookie dough. Then I need to wrap it up. And after that, I have to let it refrigerate for like 30 or 45 minutes. And while it's chilling, I need to. Oh, hi. No, there's nobody else here. You didn't interrupt. You caught me organizing my brain thoughts. For ADHD brains, talking out loud is actually a tool. When everything stays in your head, it competes for attention and lacks specific action. But when you say each clear step out loud, your brain can actually hear it, organize it, and follow it. It also helps activate your visualization tools. So you can even imagine carrying out the steps ahead of time and identify any potential hiccups. So instead of just thinking, answer emails, lunch, start report, try this. First, I am opening my laptop. Then I'm answering one email. After that, I'll reassess. Externalizing your thoughts turns vague overwhelm into clear next steps. It's like being your own executive assistant and having a check in conversation. You don't need perfect focus, you need clarity and direction. And if talking to yourself gives you that, use it. For more quick, clear, and simple ADHD friendly planning strategies, follow along on this channel or book your free intro call at hannah-asher.com. Can't wait to talk to you.